Hi, Heather.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
I'm like, why is Lily texting me if she's in the driveway?
Well, I'm home. So there's that.
Exactly.
Where's Lily? She's been texting me to get home. I can't believe she went to see Catching Fire without me.
Well, it's $5 Tuesday. Have you heard that? Is that in Milwaukee?
What? I don't go to the
Marcus?
movies. It's confusing.
Marcus?
We don't have a Marcus.
$5 Tuesdays.
And we're not even
Free popcorn.
we're not allowed to go unless you're like 21 or something past 7
Are you?
o'clock.
That's
There's
really
you
accurate.
can't go to not Applebee's, but what's that place on East on Mall? Name the restaurants.
Perkins.
Nope.
Fazoli's.
Nope. Where's the place that they go after the musical sometimes?
Perkins. They go to Perkins or Applebee's.
Applebee's. You can't be there.
You said the word Applebee's.
Did I say it?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't go to Applebee's unless you're 21 after 10 or something. So we don't get to get half price appetizers there.
Oh my god.
So like, where is she?
She's on her way home.
She's not even here. How did she know I wasn't here then?
Because I was
This is
telling her
excitement
that I had
list.
to go get you.
Excitement list.
She doesn't know you're
Excitement
home.
list.
Hey, she's
Excitement list.
surprised.
Well, I'm just gonna go to bed now because I don't feel any. No, I'm done. I give up. I'm over. I'm done. I'll just go back to school. Whatever. Whatever. I'm through. I'm done. I am fed up. Fed up with it.
Start on
Fed up.
time.
I didn't go see the movie.
Now she doesn't know you're home. You can freak her out.
I'm just fed up. I'm
Go
fed up.
drive
I'm
her.
done. I'm going. No, I want food. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. No one's feeding me. That's a problem. Right? Yep. Okay. Is this the Chumpty Dory sign? Heart the Bro Star. Look at that. Having boyfriends and stuff. I wish I had a boyfriend. Nope, not really. Because they're problems. They are trouble. They're a lot of effort and work.
And you got work tomorrow. There she is. Hi, Lily.
Hi. Where's Mother? I'm stomach over.
I've only been standing here since you walked in the kitchen. Yes.
You set this down?
You didn't look over here at all. I'm standing here smiling at you, like grinning like this. I was like, just waiting and waiting.
You were not.
I was.
No.
I popped right out.
You were probably kneeling down there. Just
No,
looking
I
at
had the camera sitting here on the counter.
And then you were sitting.
I am talking. You walked in. Then you walked in, so I popped up. I'm standing here like this, just grinning at you like a fool. Your hair's hanging in your face like this, and you put your stuff down, and you're just kind of, I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna keep standing here. And I even like breathed left. I was like,
No.
yeah.
Hi.